Skinny Joke TV, Chop Bars represent.
Yes.
Skinny Joke TV, one motivate, uplift, suffer true, never tell a lie. That is it.
Skinny Joke TV, suffer true. But I have to move like a matrix of the true. But anyway, suffer true, Skinny Joke TV. Who there? Me not hear nobody. Oh, can't hear. Click subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what I go on. Suffer true. Open like the previous video with Samaritans, you know anything. So we have a special guest on this segment, Suffer true. Nika, where there? Nika, oh, see ya, Suffer true. Skinny Joke TV. Nika, where you say? What I go on? Suffer true. What you do today?
So today we're going to be like,
Yeah, my father. Remember Skinny Joke TV, Suffer true, yeah? Yeah, my father, yeah. Nah, yeah, man. Skinny Joke TV, Suffer true. Yeah, so tell the audience what we are doing. Oh,
So
Nika, hold on. Something we not do it. Guys, I have two mic and I only put on one. Nika's supposed to be wearing one. So, sorry about that. Let's put on it. Yeah, Suffer true. Remember Skinny Joke TV, Suffer true, yeah? Sorry for the long intro, guys. But anyway, people, let me bless the video, so we have to make it a look like. Come bless the video too, man. Sure, Suffer true. Alright, she said she has to wait. Suffer true. So, continue.
So yes, so today guys we're gonna go on the road. Me and Skinny.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do like he's gonna look another woman and I'm gonna come and body him up and date things. I'm gonna go on the
Suffer
date
true.
things.
Bless up.
And
Yes, remember Skinny Joke TV, Suffer true. Alright, yeah, Suffer true.
we're gonna go on the date things.
Alright. Because it's nice. Hello. How are you? You look nice, so I admire from Castle Road, you know? By the way, I'm skinny.
Sorry?
I'm skinny.
I'm
Rose? Oh, nice. Rose, I see you got a nice garden.
Yeah.
Yeah. 16.5. I like you know, I could maybe pay half the money for it. So,
Sorry?
I said I like you, I could maybe pay like half the money for it. I could get your number. My number could be the first number in. That would be nice, right? Right? Yeah, I like that. So, what you say? Like, I could get to know you, right? I like you, nice. Yeah, like I was looking at you from across the road.
Awesome guys, thank you.
Yeah. Phone them nice too, and it have the fingerprint thing that can open it. So for sure. Yeah. So what you say, we make a deal. I pay half the money and then just a number, it's just a number. You cannot even call me if you don't want to when you reach home. Like you can just delete. You see, I'm not taking a number. You taking mine. Like my number would be the first thing. I like you, nice.
You work here?
No, I don't work it.
Well, girl, mama call you back. Mama call you back. Give me a bit.
So let's say I want the tablet them.
Where do you start doing?
A tablet me I buy for Juna.
For who?
Juna.
Julie not have tablet.
Eh? Yeah. Miss, how much you say for the tablet?
Where do you start?
I tablet me I buy. Me not talk to a lady, me I buy a tablet. What you mean? Take out the tablet, me see it.
Julie not have tablet already.
Be him same one, they want another one. Me see tablet no girl.
Where you there start though?
Me see I tablet me and buy be just
You
relax
buy
no.
tablet from you?
Me see it.
So what Julia do with two tablets?
Be just relax no be it
Don't
tablet
tell me
now
to
work.
relax. What Julia do with two tablets?
It now work
You
but
clean the bathroom already?
yo, just easy now. Nobody the embarrassing thing.
You can't talk about which embarrassment. Where do you start look woman?
Me nah look no woman, I tablet me I buy.
So you never take my back.
Be just easy no man take say tablet me I buy.
You do you start look woman?
Me not-
You clean the bathroom? You wash the panty them already?
Miss, me come back one next time, yeah?
Stand
Me
up.
nah look
Stand up,
nobody.
me talk to
Me did I look you
You
miss?
wash the panty them already?
Me did I look you miss?
No, I tablet me see.
Sure, this sir. Let me see tablet. Let me see.
Would you play next to me, please?
B, just relax now, B.
Don't tell me to relax.
A tablet me and buy, me just taste me
When
soon
Julia do
forward.
with two tablets, you take me for fool.
I'm not take you for no fool, baby. Let me see tablet, girl.
You want to see tablet? Buy no tablet.
All in something
Make
now.
sure something not reach home before you see when time I reach home, the pan for them put up on the line.
Yo, move fast.
Who you run? Know your place.
Yo, look up for me. Look up for me.
Know your place.
Wait a I go to my man. But in a real, a joke. It's a joke, man, so much out, you know. I do social experiment where I do something show and nobody not told that help me. Understand up there something show. Eh? When I told that help me, she nearly give me away. Yeah, she nearly give me away. I say, in there I talk to you, man, something show. And I told say, I tell you to my boy. Something show. Yeah, Skinny Joketv something show. What's your name, my friend? My name, my friend? Huh? Vibe with Keisha. You have to vibe up the thing, you know. You can't start dead up. You know why people and go over there your channel. It no matter. Tell the people to go over there and subscribe and like and share and comment. So for sure. So I write it down. Write it. Hold on. Write it down on a piece of paper so we can put it like this. So for sure. Alright. I'm skinny. I'm skinny. Yeah, and you are? And you are? Gillette? Nice meeting you. I try to know more. I get to know more because I like, you know. Like, yeah. When I go pass the road, should me have some load and stuff, nobody wants to stop, you know, but I just go drop them off and check it back and stuff, you know. Yeah, because I go shop and buy some stuff. Yeah. So maybe I could have like take a walk, you know, could have buy some stuff. Huh? Oh, she have a man. So I can be on the side or something like that. Or on the back, on the top. Okay, I'll be on the top. So for sure. What are you talking about? I know you like me. Look at you smiling. Look. Look at you smiling at me. I know you like me, man. Look, don't. That's a good luck. That's a good luck one. You know, you're blessed. Look at your smile. Cute. I like your smile. So cute. So yeah, well, I'm not, since you have a man, I'm not going to take your number. I'm going to give you my number. So when I think about your call, what are you talking about? Listen, I'm full of cash now. I have a lot of cash. Can take care of it. Huh? Alright. No, I don't have all day now because I have some stuff now.
Where are you, so?
I just see the ask them for direction because show me break me that
what direction?
No, the brother, you know the brother man me ask about like the guy with the where do the barbary.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
nobody exactly. Everybody have them. I just a direction.
So where you come here so then for? So at this business you left me in the supermarket, boy?
Yeah, me tell you, I go link my bridge and make him do the things for me.
So when then?
I just reason him say him upon some plaza.
We are reason to them, boy.
Him say him upon some red and blue plaza. Me not reason be. We are talk about. It's yourself, no?
At this the problem you come out here so far.
Which the people me not done.
You take me for idiot. Eh? You take me for fool.
I joke this B.
Don't be me.
Are the lady me ask the direction. Tap cussy woman them no.
You hear me I cuss nobody? Don't tell me what to do.
No man, I know your son.
You can't tell me what to do. Are you me attack to? Are you me attack to?
A direction me ask the people them for.
What direction? Do me come out here?
And that me say.
How far you reach come out here so? And you left me way down the side in the supermarket.
Be just relax, man.
Don't tell me to relax.
You can't deal me so in a public and them thing there.
What you mean by?
You deal me like me as some boy, man a boy.
And what you have to do about it? Tracy people you can go and like?
Hey, you can't deal with the man so like that.
Eh? What kind of direction you come for?
I just ask direction, brother. You know, I blow on.
Go on, man, go on. Sorry.
Be, you know, some love you and them things. Yeah, move so. You don't have to move like say, oh, me and some boy. If you did, you can't look for the
If you
people,
act
man.
like boy, me a deal with you like boy.
Yes, my baby.
Before you go watch the panty them, you out your soul.
Yo,
And man,
yo, tap gun like you want embarrass me.
don't tell me what to do. Me a talk.
Joke this time. I have to be frank. I have to be frank. Get a joke TV.
You see me?
I'm skinny.
You see me there?
I'm skinny.
You see me?
I'm skinny. Yeah, so,
Wait.
yeah, I'm just, I saw you from up the road, but I couldn't get to the dark there because I did carry some stuff to the car. Me not like you. Yeah, so she gone to the store.
Check.
She gone to the
You hear
store.
me? You hear me? Signals. You hear me? Italy?
Yeah, so I was wondering if I could talk to you more, you know, like, no? Really? Why not? Huh? Married? How long? Huh? Good while can do yesterday, last week, last 2 weeks. Huh?
Not me look like me always want
4 months. Backside, 4 months short, man. 4 months now long. That go on.
Wanna start?
Go on. Oh, good. I can make it better, you know. Right? Where him look?
How far do I go?
Where him work? Where him work? Huh? I like you. Alright, listen. So we can start off as friends. Like, you know. Friend can be normal. You don't have to be like a big deal, you know, like. No, you don't take number? Alright. I'm gonna leave my phone like that. Alright, now I give my number. You just. You know, so, no, you have to play with me. No. I taste it for video.
Oh, you have too much gap?
Don't try for this feet and video. Yeah, you know? Don't want you say that too close.
Ow. Buckle
Excuse
up my
me.
feelings.
Miss, can you call the girl that walk in here for me, please? The girl that you walk in here. Just now.
Cashin.
Yeah, talk to the girl that just walk in here. Can you call her for me, please?
Click me
That's
when
it.
you're ready.
Tall, thick, tie. No, the girl that came in here earlier, the thick tie girl. Oh shit, okay. So she gone in the bathroom. So I here kind of tense, you know, cause
Ow.
so she gone in the bathroom and stuff, you know. So now
You ready? You ready? You ready?
I'm just determined and told I like you. I just, you know.
You ready?
Brownstone. Yeah. What kind of herb me do? Science. Medical scientist. No. So I just want to start get somewhere like being friends, you know, like pen pal or something like that, you know, like, no. Or I could stop by sometime and say, stop by and say, no. You could stop by and say, say boyfriend or care for you? Brownstone. I was shopping. Yeah.
Bye.
Say boyfriend or care for you? Where? Really? Alright, so I'm gonna start getting my number where it to. So it like when I have everything for like can put in a box, like if no order stuff them.
If you got order the stuff them?
Yeah. My ask her like if they have the box. Yeah. Like if we're shopping here, I put a box and put them in like yeah.
And then there's socks?
Yeah.
So we take up my needs?
No, she just show me like a price list them and stuff them like them reasonable than the other supermarket. No, I just say I tell her, so like, they say I show me price list them because the stuff them, see, she still have a clipboard, it's just for yeah, that she just...
My boyfriend. Boyfriend. Me not showing no prices here.
So no,
Me not showing no prices. Alice, I can't see them. So you dear Saddam?
eh? No, I just say ask them about the price of my stuff to my shop. Say it reasonable. No, me just... The way I tell, me never did I do that. Me no walk come up here, me just come here, me check out.
So what price list day?
Me no know, I did, them she have the, she just see that show.
Price of what? Price of what you look for?
No, but
We
me
not- so we just like a come
I
to
did
come
a complaint
source.
say how the supermarket too expensive be, and me just see that check. Why you tell her that and me never did that walk you down? Bro, when I come in here, no, me alone you see me coming here. And me alone coming here.
We not started.
And me just check because she did talk to her friend nice too, and me tell her so me so come. And me just come find.
So which one you did? Me not talk to you, can you not talk to you?
You just come here so how you feel know that.
Me think in a supermarket you pick up what you want, then a guy cashier go cash.
I come on because I can't bother embarrassing thing. Because you complain and say it thing them too there.
Me did I complain to you?
And me I try find one cheaper supermarket. Come on.
Don't tell me if you come on. Where did I look at girl for?
Me not look no. You make him watch a crowd there draw them now.
Me no business. Because you did a job down crowd and tell you not
See,
look at.
he brother tell say me alone coming here. Me not to know
Me
a
no
lady.
hear
Me just
no from
ask
you,
the lady for.
Me no ask no man for no opinion.
Ask her, she did stand up here, so she me go to first and she did a cash and
Me say, where you did a look, where you did I saw do?
me stop it foolish.
Where you did I saw do?
You can't ramp so rough. Stop ramping,
Me
man.
ramp with it? Me look at me a laugh?
Babe, alright, come on. She just. Alright, thanks, friend.
Thanks, Sugar. Thank you.
Please, stop your foolishness.
So, what you ask her for? What price are you ask her for?
No, like it's stuff them like what we always buy.
But what we always buy? What you ask her for? What price what you ask her for?
Me just come in here and me ask them for like if them have like a price list of the thing them have. Me go to she first and she did a cash, right? So me ask, I not told she me did a ask at the other girl, but since she have left to go for lunch, and then the guy just tell her say me alone want come in here, and then it's like because he doesn't want the owner
Hear
thing.
me the lecture. What you ask her price list for? Tell us so. What you ask for?
Stop, make it thing look
What
like
price I saw what you ask for? What is what item name? What you ask for?
I know no one item be always say
Miss, what am I asking for? Which item you ask for? What you ask her for? You're too lying.
Miss, the guy so when me walk come in here, miss, and him tell her say me alone walk come in here and she still be low and she still be low this guy.
Shut up.
A crowd. Then why you bring down crowd for me? Me tell her say me need to talk to nobody.
So when you did a look at you didn't bring down crowd for yourself?
Me need to look at. Me just ask the price.
You're too lying.
I call on crowd for me. I make me look embarrassed. Like me no look at boy. Me tell her say me need to look nobody and come on, me look like a fool. Yo. Yeah, real G. It I'm right candidate to the true. Yo, you know why me get for ball too? Because I imagine like I want a real situation and you really are gonna make it Skinny Joketv so for cho. So what the girl from all the way? Where name Alisa?
Yep.
Alisa, so walk Alisa all the way from down the road, maybe about a couple kilometers. I'm just kidding. So where you gone? So we want to ask you how you feel about the situation, if it felt real to you, and it felt real, yeah. So you really are gonna see man and a woman in it. Yeah, me kind of like that still, cause you do the right thing. But sometimes like the G yourself stuff for cho, I say you when you say you're gonna mash up a relationship. You understand? Yeah. So sometimes right. So we cho, you know, we're not thief the woman this time. You see me? So I want to say big up thanks for participating and stuff like that. And I G respect to see yourself for Skinny Joketv. We are going to blur out the face, so I try. Yeah, but she never did that recognize me, you know. Yeah, and what's her name? Kim? Oh, Kim, nice to meet you. So no bump, just gonna leave me hanging, nothing. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, you're nice though, I like your smile. Eh?
Thank you.
Ah, that's awesome. That's awesome. So I can get to know you, right? Huh?
Hi, what happened to you? Here. My nigga? Oh.
So,
Yes, sir.
No, true, me did talk to you just now and
Yeah,
then.
they get where I said, me hear what you saying.
Eh?
I heard what you said already.
So, yeah, so you know the building, like, the same one that me asked her for it.
No, I didn't know what you're talking about.
No, when me asked her, the building with the, where the guy name again, Chang.
Where they side?
The pot Chang. No, me just see the ask the lady what part we could have find Omar, because she tell me say him on the bill.
Son of me, you come out here?
Yeah, but me tell you say me a link Omar for you thing. But
So
you
Omar, then where you say?
Being, I ask the direction. Me ask, I brother me did ask.
No, me you come out here, me don't know what a Christiana.
Yeah, then I brother me did ask. Bro, you know, me just see the ask by building and sitting and then I'm saying no, I'm ask the lady. Come on now. Be come on and stop your foolishness.
Where they side do?
Me not do nothing, be me just attack, I ask the direction. I just direction me ask and the brother say you know, no,
So
and
the
them
me you
ask
come
the
Christiana? The me you come?
yeah, be, but me tell you say me so come.
Oh, you have to
Me
ask
tell
the
you say me so
direction with
come.
your girlfriend know what a Christiana.
But me did ask her part Omar and she did something like that, like you know, also. Miss, it's a problem for ask somebody for ask direction.
No, sir. I mean, I'm going to
No, when me just ask the brother and the man like him saying no, I'm just ask.
You can't tell me say you come here first if you ask one lady for direction. And me know what a Christiana.
But nobody needed to walk past. And miss no ask me.
So you left me from way down there so? To contact
The lady good as more than him.
Yeah.
Can you see him right there, sir?
Alright, right, cause
You
nobody.
trail the woman and leave you come first?
Me no trail nobody. Miss, why would I trail the lady? Sir,
You need not talk to
Sir,
the
me
man.
just-
The man did that eat him patty.
no,
I did that talk to him.
because me just sir, me never just ask and then say the man say yes. Me dey ask him and then him say him no know. And then
How? Tell me. You come first of your direction when me know what a Christiana.
nobody needed to
That
walk
makes
past.
sense?
That don't make no sense.
That makes sense? We're all married.
Me no, I try find out. So, him saying upon the building, white building. Me no know. Maybe I this one
Me
I'm
say,
attack.
me and him down there some better. Me look so. Me no see him.
Look, see, I go to the building.
So
This
you
him
have your
say-
girlfriend and you're only your girlfriend?
No, because me the full bedroom, Omar, I'm supposed to give me one of the box things. No man, you know, you wouldn't know. Be the school man. But then the fool is.
You trail the woman from way down there so come up as a fewer. She owe you something?
Why me would I trail somebody? Me not know no lady.
Ask him how you like it, just say.
Oh, you don't reach us so? How you reach us in front of a woman for your
direction me
smile?
ask. A direction me ask. So why?
So me no know what a
Me
Christiana?
always a smile and you know that too.
That makes sense, miss?
That don't make no sense. That
Yeah,
don't
your
make
boyfriend go out and your boyfriend know what a Christian. You go chill and other
no,
man ask
that
you
me not
to-
crazy.
Exactly.
Nah, but you,
Exactly.
So you tell me say you crazy then? Come up here so. You tell me say you crazy then?
A joke thing this one. Me, nobody had the phone. So me call. There's so 5 people there.
In the business, come back here so.
Miss, tell me something now. Zin?
I'll talk to your girlfriend.
So no she me
So
attack.
that makes sense. That makes sense. You chill the man from way down there so. You left me down there so by the time look through and I not see you.
Because remember me tell you say me have a link Omar. You never hear
Come
me
up
say me
here
have a
so,
link.
me attack to
You
you.
never hear me say me have a link Omar.
So
Me
we
tell you say me
Omar
have a
then.
link Omar.
Normally when we say we are going to link Omar find we not fear walk up and down and look for Omar.
But a man she mad in me.
Me no business with mad man, I saw with it.
Me let go that now, no? Let go that now.
Why
Man.
you trail the lady from way down there so come up here so?
Yo, a babe might come like people and my mother. What's it? Be watching.
Oh, yes so. Me say see man like them here. No take up man like them here.
Come on, man, tap of
him
foolishness.
I have to
Come
wash
on.
my pants. Don't touch me.
But
Him have to wash
yo,
my
come on
panty.
and be on top of foolishness.
Don't tell me nothing. Yo person look man.
Me nah look no woman. Come on.
Don't touch me.
Why you feel always I try embarrass me in a public? Come on, man.
But me attack the truth.
Come
You're
on,
the
no.
way down the surface of your all command.
Come on, no. Bro, G, respect, eh? Yeah, man, bless up. Alright, thanks, eh, friend. Come on and be on top of foolishness. Come on, man. Come on top of foolishness. Alright, stay there. Fight one, fight two, man. I don't know,
I know
man.
woman have problem, are you?
Yeah, but you stand up with the woman like, come on.
Me I wait for your explanation. I mean I move.
So we are, when you go and explain.
No,
why
yeah, so.
for woman?
You know wait till we go and feel look woman.
So why you
Right,
want to war the woman?
But me no want
Me, so I'm piece of thick of my size. I joke me with me, man. Come on. Come on.
why you trail him and further down this up my person?
Me not trail nobody, miss me a trail you.
Sir, don't be so mysterious, sir.
And he reach up here so down.
Exactly.
Say this when me did a walk. But then if she see me when me did a walk, me that no mean say me did a trail.
When you see my
I
walk,
just
never
ask,
him the
I
walk.
take me not really see you. Me never see you down there, sir. I turn me see person. I know say, alright, look, here, I the man me come for ask a question. I the man me come for ask a question.
What question?
Fee building like I said to.
Me no know
Omar,
what a Christian.
call man, call Omar. Him say beside, him say building beside you. Yeah, me, G.
Christian and me and him come out here.
Okay.
Be just command man on
ask
top
you.
of foolishness, man.
You must ask. I and her come together. You ask her where building it.
You trail you man
Well,
from where them
well,
this
And
person.
her never come out here then.
Alright, miss, now go on. Come on. Me don't know her. Alright, what's my name?
I don't know.
See, you wanna know me. Come on, and be and stop the embarrassing thing. Come on, babe.
Watch me and you.
cook
Let me
you.
go.
Me cook you. Come. Come on.
Back here, sir. You come back here, sir.
In a real.
Huh?
In a real.
How proud.
In a real prank. I plan down here, so we chow.
No.
I plan with the plan down here, so we chow. So we do social experiment. We do social experiment skinny joke.
Say you're the woman them over there some
That's it.
ball
Can
out.
we do them? We catch them
We do
too.
them
We
too.
catch them too. I don't think so. I want say, and cuss and say, nobody has to know why your man doing both first. I say, me not.
Skinny Joketv, chat bars represent.
Yes.